In this video, in my quest to make the perfect Pornstar Martini, this is my third video, I'm going to be taste testing the best vanilla sugar to add to your Pornstar Martini. Hey there drinks fans, I am Steve the Barman and I'm hoping these videos help you drink, serve and enjoy your favourite spirits. Right then, Pornstar Martini lovers, this is my third video in this little Pornstar Martini mini series, new for 2020. I have just done my updated, very sexy Pornstar Martini recipe. All will be so good. All will be revealed if you watch that video why it's updated. But I've also gone on a little quest to try and make the ultimate Pornstar Martini. So video one in this mini series was my current recipe as of sort of mid 2019, why I had to change it up. So that's that, and use plain vodka. Video two, the last video, we were finding the best vanilla vodka out of 6, I think I tried 5, 1, 2, 3, 5 that we had. And this video is all about vanilla sugar. Now I should have had 5, but I've actually got 4 different vanilla sugars to taste test. Vanilla sugar's vanilla sugar, right? You'd have thought so, but I did a video about a year ago now, 8 months or so, mate, I've lost track, about orgeat almond syrup. And I cannot believe the difference in the big brands about orgeat. So this is the first time I've ever done this. I've just picked a vanilla sugar, which up until now has been, I've lost it, Funkin. That's the brand that I've always used. Is it the best? We're going to find out. So the contenders for this, let's put the vodka to one side. So that one, JJ Whitley, was the best vanilla vodka. Wow, that was really good. So the contenders, Funkin for sugar, Funkin, very easy to get hold of, smaller bottles, cheap as chips. Second one, let's get this, because it's a big bugger. This is Giffard or Giffard vanilla sugar. The third one we're going to go for, I've got a lot of love for these guys at the moment. This is William Fox. Oh, they make some cracking syrups. This is William Fox's vanilla. And then the fourth one I'm going to rock out is Monin Vanilla, which will be the vanilla for most of the high street pubs and bars in the UK. The brands that I haven't got and I'm gutted about because they won the Orgeat challenge is ODK. I have it, it didn't come in. It just plain and simple didn't come in. I need to shoot the videos today, so ODK has, it's not ODK's fault, it's just lost out. So perhaps might revisit that in the future, but let's see. So vanilla is vanilla, as we've found out is not the case at all with vodka. Is it the same with sugar? I'm going to get really high on sugar syrups now. So Funkin Pro, this is Funkin's vanilla syrup. Really good. This is what I'm used to. Really good, vanilla forward. It's obviously, it's sugar, it's obviously sweet, but does what it says on the tin. It's vanilla, punchy, no nasty aftertaste to it. I've been using it. I don't know whether there's any better. The second one that I'm going for is Giffard, and it's a litre. I didn't realise it was a litre when I ordered it. This makes this cheap as chips because that was my price, under £4 for a 50cl. This was £6 for a litre compared to nearly £8 for those two for 70s. This is going to be the cheapest one out of the lot. So this is Giffard. Smell wise, big bold punchy vanilla notes, probably more vanilla notes than the Funkin actually. Vanilla not as pronounced. That is definitely more vanilla-y, the Funkin. That's really surprising. Still vanilla forward, but Funkin, big bold vanilla notes come out. Still the Funkin so far. The third one we're going to do, William Fox. A lot of love for these guys at the moment. They do some cracking ones. Literally just under the under the £8 mark, 7.80 I think it was. Again, vanilla on there. How does this stack up? Delicate. Vanilla, yeah. Actually, for me, it's still the Funkin. It's really good. Actually, it tastes a lot cleaner. I don't know how to describe that. It's a very different vanilla flavour. That's actually in second place for me. Right, the final one, Monin. This should be, in the grand scheme of things, whether it's industry bias, I'm not sure. These should be the big players in the syrup world. They've been around since the year dot. They've got so many different flavours out there. They know exactly what they're doing. This should be, in theory, the best. I don't know. I honestly don't know. Easy to get hold of. Every wholesaler sells it. Every supermarket should sell it. Coffee aisle. So I always say in my masterclasses, if you're looking for vanilla syrup, go into your coffee aisle right next to your beans. You'll get 3 bottles of Monin, caramel, hazelnut and vanilla. Perfect for your Pornstar Martinis. Right, what does it taste like? I'm to be honest, I'm not sure how this is going to work. The one I would put in last place definitely is the Giffard. I really do like the Monin actually. It's a very different sugar profile to the Funkin. But I think that's going to make a totally different drink. I'm now confused how to finish this video because I was going to finish the video with this is the winner. And actually I've got I've got 3 contenders. Right, I know what I'm going to do. I'm going to cut filming. I'm going to make little samples of Pornstar Martinis with all 4, and then we're going to cut straight back in. That's how we're going to find the winner. Right, and by the powers of magic of editing, I'm back. All scientifically done, all properly measured out. Haven't tasted them yet. So we shall see. How does that affect? I've made them with plain vodka. Just to sort of see that that is the only vanilla sort of thing coming through. So this is the first one, Funkin. Pretty standard. That's my Pornstar Martini for God knows how long. So this is where we slightly get different. This is Giffard. No, wow, that's really different actually. Right, this is William Fox. Ooh, now that's different. I've got that sort of vanilla-y kick coming through without it. That's really different. It kind of breaks down that tartness from the passion fruit puree. That's really interesting. Okay, 4th one, Monin. Oh wow, oh wow, Monin, wow. Oh, so I tell you, it's. For the last God knows how many years, I've been using Funkin vanilla syrup. And actually, my go-to recipe actually comes out 3rd. Wow, that is just really... Monin, hands down, the better cocktail out of the 4. Those 2, I've got to give it to Monin. Wow, okay, so there we have it. The best vanilla syrup for your Pornstar Martini is Monin Vanilla. So coming up in the next video, I'm going to be doing the passion fruit puree test. Bearing in mind, I'm always going to use juice because you do need the juice. You're not going to do... I really disagree with the 100% puree. I think you do need the passion fruit juice. Not pineapple juice, not apple juice, passion fruit juice. That's what the syrup's about. Stay tuned for the next video.